The management of the Victoria Jubilee Hospital has launched a probe into the circumstances which led to the death of multiple premature babies at the facility. Regional Director at the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Lascelles Brown, confirmed the deaths in an interview with our news center on Thursday. He says Sarah on Wednesday convened a meeting to further investigate the matter.
The regional technical team, the regional technical director, and the other specialists, including the SMO at VGH, they are currently conducting deeper analysis to find out what the nature or the cause of those deaths. So I'm not able to speak on the matter in much detail in terms of what would have been the cause and the outcomes. So I wait those reports, and after that meeting, then I will be able to make a definitive statement on the matter, where I've not gotten confirmation on the numbers.
The West.